picked a few of these up, and some of them are hit and miss, and some of them are actually pretty sturdy. And this is the Wild Bill head sculpt from the Valor vs. Venom line. With this body comes with the Hasbro neck post and a set of hands and articulated feet. I'm not really fond of these articulated feet. The hand pegs into there's a wrist peg that will peg into the forearm. With some of these, the wrist pegs are smaller and some are bigger, and they just fit right in. It seems like not all of these figures are cross-compatible, because some of the wrist pegs are larger and some are smaller. I like that there's a left and right hand trigger finger hand, so I think that's pretty cool. Here's the information on it. It is MX02A, Caucasian skin tone, matte, and there's the barcode if you want to pause this video and check that out. Look it up on Amazon. I decided to add him to my Special Forces team. I really like this head sculpt. It was one of my favorite from the G.I.joe line. I think it was a Valor vs. Venom. His neck kind of sits low on his neck post, which is kind of annoying, but that's alright. Not everybody's built the same, so maybe this guy has a short neck and broad shoulders. I don't know. He's full 12 inches, so he's taller than my super articulated G.I.joe. I got 3 of these bodies. This is another body with the Hasbro Obi-Wan Kenobi head on it, and it's pretty much the same body, just made by different companies from China, I guess. But this one and this one, they both seem like they're pretty sturdy. I've never had any problems with them breaking. However, with this guy, this is one of the bodies I had that his leg broke clean off, and I recently turned him into a character with an amputation, so he uses a wheelchair. So I was actually able to add these 2 characters to my collection, or these 2 action figures to my collection. I really like how he turned out, and this is a mixture of gear. I'm not even sure what it comes from. And since since I'm used a Wild Bill head, I thought I'd just give him a revolver, just for kicks and giggles. I thought it looked cool. He'll be a great addition to my special operations unit. I think he'll make a cool character. Well, that's all I have for you. I thought I'd just share this new character with you, and what I did to add more figures to my collection. I wish people would give me eBay gift cards, then maybe I'd be able to get some more G.I.joes. But it is what it is. Well, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to click that like button. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And share this video if you wouldn't mind. Drop a comment. I really would appreciate it. And I'll eventually get to the comments section. Sorry about that. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video. Chasing buried dreams.